Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop front swipe switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the fourth move for grounded switch flips, which is a pop front swipe switch. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your pop front scoot switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. No, Robin, you can't do that. You want a tutorial, not tips. So I can't do this. Why does it have to be a Sailor Moon? It can literally be any other trick. Ugh. Now a pop front swipe switch is basically just a pop front swipe and then you switch your scoot leg through. And it's going to help later on with pop cartwheel switches. Now when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, kind of crouched down a little bit. Start to reach for the ground in front of you with your inside hand. Then you're going to make sure your hand is firmly placed on the ground and jump off both feet at the same time. Bring that swipe leg up and then switch, bringing your scoot leg through and finish the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget you can do this move with a follow through. You can also do it with a spin in the beginning, and you can do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get all those so you can be a little bit more well-rounded. Now tips for this move, I feel it's very important to really focus on pushing through your shoulder because a lot of your body weight is going to be on that arm that's on the ground and you don't want to just lock out your elbow. So you have to make sure you're kind of like pushing through your shoulder, shrugging it up to keep your balance. Also, don't focus on like kick, how we did on the pop scoot switch tutorial. This one more, you just kind of bring that leg up and then switch it through right away. So your swing leg doesn't really do much, or at least it doesn't feel like it does. And if you do not have your pop front swipe already, you can go ahead and click on that tutorial right there. Get that and then come back and then try this one. Now for tricking tips, guys, I'm kind of thinking that we're just going to be doing these on Tuesday just because I'm not really getting that much sent to me and we won't have enough to do every single video just yet. But eventually, once we start getting more people sending clips in, then we'll have more tricking tips probably every day. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have you guys there supporting me as much as you do. Next, we'll be getting into a back scoot switch and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Upraiz.